Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about how you can use BioGRID database for network analysis. So for the BioGRID database, you just need to write the BioGRID and then click on the BioGRID option, and then here you have to search the protein or the genes. So I am interested in EGFR. I want to see the network of the EGFR. So here you have the list of organism. You need to also select the organism name, in which organism you are interested. So I am interested in Homo sapien. So I will just write the Homo sapien, and then you just need to submit. So after submission, you will find this tab. Here you can see this is the interactor statistics, which tell us the total number of proteins or genes that are interacting with EGFR is more than 3200, and the chemicals are 36, and there are 679 publication available. Then here you have different type of evidence as well. So here you have the link to different databases like CRISPR database, VEGA, OMM database, different type of database. You can click on here and you can go and search the data from there. There are geo process, which is gene ontology process, 42 gene ontology process. EGFR is involved in, which is an epidermal growth factor receptor. Geo function, gene ontological function, and geo component. So here you can see the interactors, interaction, chemical interaction, network, PTM site, post transcription modification site, post translation modification site, and here you have all the interactors name, organism type, and description and the evidence. So now I want to see the network. Just click on the network, and here you can see the network. This is the network of the EGFR. So you can also remove the number of the genes as well, and if you want to increase, you can increase as well. So it's depend on you. And also here you can filter as well, if you want to hide the physical interaction, if you want to show it, if you want to hide the chemical interaction, or if you want to hide other interactions, you can do this as well. So here you can increase or reduce as well. This is about the resolution. If you want to export, you can export to PNG file as well. So here we have physical edges. These different color represent different edges inside the node. And here this show the gene ontology molecular function, all the function where EGFR is involved in. And this is the gene ontological cellular components, and these are the gene ontological process. So this video was about the BioGRID database. You can use this database for network analysis. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.